every store has its own look, right down to the shelf tags. Maybe you need the price to be bigger and bolder, or you want your store's name on every label. In Rundu, you can build that label exactly how you want it, just once, and it's there for your whole team to use. Before you can print a custom label at the counter, you first have to design it. This is something you'll do on the admin side of Rundu. So first, let's make sure you're in admin mode by clicking up here. Then open up Product from the menu on the left. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you're going to find a module called Custom Label Designer. Let's create a new label to open up our options. This screen is your design workshop. On the left are your tools, and on the right is a live preview. First, let's give our new template a name that your team will recognize. We're going to create a new label and we're going to call it Main Shelf Tag. Next, let's set the label size to match the physical labels you use. Rundu has presets for common sizes like Dymo 30336. Getting this right makes sure nothing gets cut off when you print. So either choose one of these options or create your own. If you're creating your own, you can change the width and the height yourself in here to mimic what's on the box. For now, let me choose Dymo. Now for the design. Under Fields, you can toggle on the information that you want to show. Let's take away the product name or put it back on. What about the price? You'll notice that the UPC and barcode is always on. Every label needs a barcode so it can scan. So to change how something looks, you simply click in the preview and move it around. So let's say I want to put my price down here, or I want to make the price bigger. I can simply do that by clicking in the corners and dragging slowly out or slowly in. If I want to move the name and maybe make it bolder, you can click the name and then go down on the bottom and click bold. You can see that font has become darker, making it maybe easier for your customers to see which label is related to which product. Once you're happy with the layout, just scroll down and click Save Design. As soon as you hit Save, this new template is instantly available for every cashier. Let's see it in action. We'll switch over to the Point of Sale tab and down into Products. Let's say we want to print a label for our lightsaber. Click into Print Label. And you can see Main Shelf Tag is the option chosen here. If we click Print, we can see the name is in bold and the price is much larger. So those changes we made are already visible here. Now it's your turn to try it out. Head into your practice store and build a label that fits your shop. Design away, nothing you make there is live. When you're ready, we'll see you in the next video.